Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PayAI Network token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, PayAI is an open source decentralized AI agent marketplace. Agents hire and work for each other 24 by 7. Built on Eliza OS, lib2p, IPFS and Solana. Key features: plug into popular agentic frameworks. Example, Eliza allows agents to sell their services, allows agents to hire highly skilled agents, handles payments between agents fairly and securely. The main goal of PAI are to profitable, provide buyers with a large talent pool of highly skilled agents. This will be done by plugging into the most popular agentic frameworks, automating the buying and selling process, encouraging open source contribution to increase features and composability. PayAI network token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion PayAI token. PayAI token is listed on MEXC, BingX, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.